This is the Burt's Bees Beeswax Lip Balm. I've had this stuff for many years now. This one in particular I recently purchased, and even from years ago, this stuff has always been my go-to lip balm. Why do I say that? Well, for starters, the scent on this is peppermint, but it's not overpowering, and it actually feels like when I use it, it is healing my lips rather than just covering over kind of the dehydration that I'm dealing with. This stuff does come, it's kind of a little bit white, but it goes on clear. I've never had an issue where it starts to get waxy on my lips and makes me feel uncomfortable. This stuff works amazingly well. It comes in this container. It's kind of the typical size you would expect from a chapstick container, but this stuff really works well. Its scent is pepperminty again, but it's not overpowering, and I found I don't need to use too much. 2 passes on each lip seems to work amazingly well, even during winter times. So I keep this in my pocket at all times, and it is my go-to lip balm. I highly recommend this.